Hello guys and welcome again. Today in this video we'll talk about the toolkit of our motorcycle Hero Karizma Xmr 210. So the toolkit stays under the pillion seat of our motorcycle here, right here, and these are all the items inside. These are total 9 items including the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The first is the bag, and then is this wrench you see here. It is used to open your spark plug. Spark plug is under the battery. And then this is an extension handle to extend the length of the other tools. And then we have got this ring spanner type of thing. It is size 12 and 24. I'll show you where it goes. For the axle nut you need this 24 mm. You can open the axle nut with it, and with this 12 mm, the small one is the 12 mm, you can open your lock nut of your chain with this, or you can also open the pinch bolt of your front wheel like this. It is also a 12 mm one, like this. This is a pinch bolt. And the other item, this is a screwdriver. It goes into this handle. This is a screwdriver. It goes into this handle. These are two separate items. Total, including this count as 9 items. So screwdrivers has two sides. One is flathead and one is the Phillips head. It is very useful item. And then this big 10 mm Allen key. This you can use to open your front axle. It goes here in your front axle. And you can use it to open your front axle. So then there is this 6 mm Allen key, smaller Allen key. This is a 6 mm Allen key, but this is a special one. It has got hole in both ends, here and here. It is used to open this battery compartment. Battery goes under this panel, and there is a special bolt here, Allen bolt here, 6 mm Allen bolt. It has got a pointy thing inside the center. It's kind of an anti-theft thing, so that it can be only opened with this type of Allen key, not the regular Allen key. So it goes here. Make sure that your toolkit always have this, so that you can access the battery compartment. It goes like this, and you can open it and access your battery. And your spark plug is under the battery. Once you take out the battery, then the spark plug, you can access the spark plug below the battery. So then there is this hook spanner or the C spanner. This you can use to adjust your rear suspension preload. So this is the hook spanner or the C spanner. This you can use to adjust the preload of your rear monoshock. It goes like this in these grooves, and you can adjust, rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you go like this way inside, then you can soften it, and if you go like outward, then you can make it harder. But you need someone to lift the rear up for you, so that the spring will be unloaded and you can access this adjuster grooves. In this current position, when there is load on this rear suspension, you cannot make adjustments, so you have to unload it first, either on a main stand, or you need to ask someone to lift the rear for you. So these are all the items in the OEM toolkit. Make sure to always carry it with you. So it is very helpful. On my last breakfast ride, when I was riding at around 80 and 90 km per hour. There are some vibrations in the motorcycle. I will talk about it in the later video. So due to this vibration, this bar end got loose. I did not check it beforehand. Maybe it is a thing which they skipped in the PDI. So this came out due to vibration. So I used this screwdriver to fix it back. So make sure to always carry this toolkit with you. And thanks guys, and thanks for watching this video. This is it for this video. If you have some question, do ask in comments.